Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video. In today's video we would be solving a practical change of subject question, right? So let's quickly delve into it. So our question of the day is, make V the subject of the relation, right? In the given equation, A equals the fraction s minus v over v plus 1, right? So let's quickly delve into it. Right, so solution. Now our given equation is A equals s minus v over v plus 1, right? So here what you have to do is to look for the LCM of the equations, right? So yeah, this A is divisible by 1, and we have s minus v, the fraction s minus v over v plus 1, right? So this A is divisible by 1. So to find the LCM, the least common factor, right, you multiply 1 by v plus 1, okay? And you are going to have the same v plus 1. That means v plus 1 would enter itself 1, and it will enter 1 to like 1, right? So what you have to do is to cross multiply, right? So we have the fraction a over 1 equals x equals the fraction s minus v over v plus 1, right? So we are going to cross multiply. In cross multiplying, the denominator at the right hand side would cross multiply the numerator at the left hand side. Similarly, the denominator at the left hand side will cross multiply the numerator on the right hand side, right? So we are going to have our new equation to be A multiplying V plus 1 equals 1 multiplying x minus v, right? So we are going to have our equation to be A multiplying v plus 1 equals any number multiplying another number is that same number. So 1 multiplying s minus v is s minus v, right? So here, when you reach this side, what you have to do is to expand, right? So a multiplying v will give you av, right? And a multiplying 1 will, a multiplying positive 1 plus 1 here will give you positive a, right? Equals s minus v, right? And here they are asking us to make v the subject of the relation. So that means we have to let v stand on its own, right? And we, based on our new equation here, which is av, okay, plus a equals s minus v, right? So we can find the variable v in two sets of variables, which is av and v here, negative v here, right? So we maintain av, okay, so we maintain av, right? And when we look at the right hand side of the equation, we have negative v, right? Negative v, right? And when this negative v crosses the equal to sign here, okay, it will change its form to become a positive number. So we have negative v crossing the equal to sign here, which then changes its form to become a positive number. So it will become a positive v. So we have a plus v, right, equals, we maintain s, positive s, right? Yeah. And the other variable here, which is positive a, is a positive number. When it crosses the equal to sign, as explained earlier on, okay, it will metamorphose into a negative number, so it becomes negative a, right? And here we form the equation. Now from our equation here, which is av plus v equals s minus a, you can, particularly from av plus v, you can detect that v is the common factor here. So you factor it out, so you bring v out, okay. V would go into which figure for us to get av. So that figure is a, or that number is a. V will go into which number for us to get v, and that number is positive 1, right, equals s minus a. So we have our equation to be v multiplying, or in brackets, a plus 1 equals s minus a, right? S minus a, right? So here we want to make v the subject of the relation, so we basically have to let v stand on its own, and in doing so we have to cancel out by a plus 1, right? And whatever you do for the left hand side, you do same for the right hand side. So we are going to have our equation to be v, right, v multiplying a plus 1 divided by a plus 1 equals the fraction s minus a over a plus 1. A plus 1 would cancel itself 1. It will cancel the numerator here to 1, right? So we are going to have our v to be the fraction x minus a over a plus 1, right? So this is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.